Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be on self-control, which means you're in control of your body, yourself, your words, and your actions. Right now, you might be at home with siblings, brothers, or sisters, or other kids at home, and maybe they're playing with something, and maybe you really want it. Maybe someone else is playing with this color Play-Doh and you really want that. So you go up and you just grab it because you need it. Or you take it and you don't ask. And then somebody else gets really upset. That's not having good self-control. Or if the grown-up you live with at home tells you you need to wait. Or in a minute I'll help you. But you want help really right now. That can be frustrating to be told you have to wait. You might feel like no one's listening to you or nobody wants to help. And that's not true. Sometimes we have to wait. I'm going to show you something really cool today. This right here is not just any remote control. It's a magic remote control. Most TV remotes control the TV. I can change the channel. I can pause something. But this remote control controls us. Controls what we do and what we say. If you don't have a magic remote control, you can pretend that you have one. It works the same way. So, if I'm doing something and I really want something that someone else has, and I go and grab it, before I do, I can hit the little pause button on my remote control. And that gives me a second to stop and think. I know I really want that Play-Doh, but someone else is playing with it. So I pause my remote, boop, and I can think. I wouldn't like it if someone grabbed it from me, so maybe I should ask first. And then I can hit my play button, which means I continue on with what I'm doing. I might say, hey, could I please borrow that Play-Doh? Someone might say no. Someone might say, I'm using it. You have to wait. I might have to pause myself again. Pause. And I might have to take a couple deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. And calm myself down. Another cool thing about the remote, if I hit the fast forward button, I can think about what's going to happen in the future. What's going to happen if I grab something from someone else? Or if my mom tells me you have to wait and I start screaming or having a meltdown because she's not helping me that minute. Well, if I use my magic remote control and hit fast forward, I might find out that I might get in trouble. And then I might not really get what I want. I can also hit that pause button and think about it. If I messed up, maybe I didn't talk in a kind way, or maybe I wasn't thinking about what my body is doing, and I really, really wanted something, I grabbed it, and I accidentally hit someone, I can hit the pause button too. I can think about, how am I going to make this better? What could I do? And it might be apologize and work on it next time. Well, I hope you guys use this magic remote control so you can be in control. I'm going to share a song with you. And then on the Padlet that you access this video, there's a couple other things you can do to work on self-control. One is playing freeze dance, because you have to listen to the music and listen to the directions. And when somebody says freeze, you might want to keep dancing. But hit that remote, hit pause, and calm yourself down. Another one is blowing bubbles. It's like this. Blowing bubbles and not popping them. That's tricky. Just letting the bubbles come up and watch them as they fall. And resist the urge to go pop, pop, pop. I'm going to play a song for you and I hope you enjoy it. stay calm. Even when things don't go your way, you have to use self-control. We all get mad every now and then, but you have to know how to be calm again. Here's a little trick that you can do. Take a deep breath and that'll calm you. We all get sad every now and then, but you have to know how to be calm again. Here's a little trick that you can do. Think happy thoughts and that'll calm you. Even when something goes wrong, take a deep breath, stay calm. Even when you're having fun, bring it down, just stay calm. Even when you get excited, you have to use self-control. Of course, it's okay to have a lot of fun, but you have to know how to bring it down and be calm. When something goes well, you cannot yell. When you're on the winning team, you don't have to scream. Let me break it down for you. When something is great, you can celebrate. But watch your volume. Are you loud? Are you bumping into the crowd? Control your body and control your words. Getting all wild is really absurd. Even when something goes wrong, take a deep breath, stay calm. Even when you're having fun, bring it down, just stay calm. Even when you're just joking around, you have to use self-control. I know that you're joking, you're only playing, but control your body and what you're saying. We were just being silly, man. It's not an excuse for when you ran. We were just being silly, man. It's not an excuse to name call a friend. You are accountable for what you say, so choose your words wisely every day. Even when something goes wrong, take a deep breath, stay calm. Even when you're having fun, bring it down, just stay calm. Remember, guys, you are in control of you. Use that magic remote and keep trying to be in control of you. I'll see you guys next time.